Hey SB3 team, we're going to talk today about 1 year ceramic coating optic for your windshield, for your client's windshield. So SB3 optic is going to be applied in 2 coats. That's important to understand. There's only a few coatings from SB3 that are 2 coat applications. Optic is one of them. So we're going to show you how to do optic right now. Take a look. All right guys, we're gonna install SB3 optic glass coating. Can be used on windshield or side glass, but primarily we're gonna be installing it on the windshield today on this Porsche GT3 RS. This is a client that takes this vehicle on track all the time, so I'm really excited for him to get optic because when you're on a racetrack you get a lot of bugs. So the first step with any of our coatings is clean the surface. And so we could use waterless wash, makes a great windshield coating. Windshield cleaner, a lot of people don't know that, inside and out. And then, you know, we might miss a little bit of SB3 Ready and get the salt, you know, get anything on there off, bug remover as needed. So clean the surface, that's first step as always. Second step, we're gonna load the pad with SB3 optic and we're gonna coat. Now, one interesting trick is you can go up and down on the outside while you're applying your coating or while you're washing the vehicle. And you go side to side on the inside of the windshield. And then that way, if you see streaks, you know whether or not it's coming from the inside or the outside of the glass. All right, so we waited our minute to flash, and now we're gonna just level the glass surface. It's very easy. And that's it. That's that simple. I'm gonna level the other side, and then we're gonna come back in 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you the rest of the process. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna do the second coating of optic. We got coat, 1 minute, level, 5 minute wait time between coatings. Then we're gonna coat, wait a minute, and level. Now on this one, a lot of people like to spritz some SB3 flyover on top to make it easier to level on the second coating especially. SB3 flyover is a water-based product with silica in it, and so it's almost like having a damp towel wet wipe sort of situation. Once again, we're gonna load up our pad. We're gonna do both sides, wait a minute, and level. All right, like I said, we're gonna use couple spritzes of flyover, and that's gonna help this level out a lot easier than if you would do it dry. It's always good to have a bottle of flyover on hand just in case. The last thing we're gonna do is we're not gonna put any more product on the pad. We're gonna use the dampness that's left over on the pad, and we're gonna hit the blades, and then we're gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes to set those blades back down. So I'm gonna do the other one. All right, so there you have it. You have SB3 optic 1 year windshield coating. I showed you how to apply it. You're gonna clean the surface. You're gonna coat it, wait a minute, level. You're gonna wait 5 minutes, coat it again, 1 minute and level. And then you're gonna use a little bit of flyover to spritz it if need be and help you level that second time. And then you're gonna use the remaining product on the pad to put on the blades. No more product, just the leftover. And then wait 15 to 20 minutes to put the wiper blades back down. And you can see the beading in my vehicle at the beginning of the video. And so you know that this works really well, and I'm really looking forward for this Porsche GT3 RS owner to take this car out on track with SB3 optic on the windshield.